Hello everyone. Now we are going to see a problem based on prime factorization tree. The question is given like if 13,824 equal to 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a and b. This question is from the exercise 2.2 fourth problem. So here this number 13,824 is to be split into some parts. We have to split this number. We have to factorize this number and we have to write this in the power of 2 and 3. This is the question asked. So here, see the number. It is ending in the even digit. So we can divide this number by 2. And 2 into what gives you 13,824. 2 into 6,912 gives you 13,824. You can just divide this and see. See 13,824. Just divide this by 2. So 2 6 are 12, the remaining is 1, 18, 2 9s are 18, the remaining is 0. So keep this, bring this 2 to the below. So 2 1s are 2, and again this 4, the last digit 4, 2 2s are 4. Like this, just divide this and write this number here. And this number is again, see this 6,912 is not a prime number, so we have to divide this again. So see the last digit, it is again in the even number. So you can divide this by 2. So 2 into 3,456 gives you 6,912. Just like this way, you can divide and see. So now again, this is not a prime number. So you can divide this, split this. So see this last digit, it is in the even number. Again, by 2, you can split this. So 1,728. So again, you can split this. Like this, you have to proceed up to till you will be reaching the prime number. So see here, 8 is again even number. You can split this by 2. So 2 into 864 gives you this number. And again 864 again is in, it's in the even digit. So divide this, split this by 2. 2 into 432 gives you the 864. Again, proceed this way. That is, I'm writing this 432 here and I'm going to proceed. See here, 432 is again an even number. So 2 into 216 gives you 432. Again, they split this. See, this is an even number. Again, split this. 216 is from 2 into 108. Again, this 108 is an even number. Split this with 2. 2 into 54 gives you 108. Again, split this by 2 because 54 is an even number. So 2 into 27 is 54. So 27 is the odd number. Now divide this by 3. So 3 nines are 27. And see here the last, see this 9, 3 threes are 9. And see here what do we got? The last digit is from prime. It's a prime number. So till this we have to complete. So now just you add whatever you are having, just add whatever is there. See how many 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 2 per 9. Okay, so you have to write just 2 per 9. Okay, see the question, it is given 13,824 equal to 2 per A into 3 per B. So now 13,824 equal to 2 per 9. And how many 3 are there? See 1, 2, 3. There are 3 threes are there. So into 3 per 3. Like this you have to write. Now from this, comparing this with the question, and you can get like A equal to 9 and B equal to 3. So like this you have to get using prime factorization tree. Today's riddle, what question can you never answer S to? So for this riddle, we will see the answer in the next class. Thank you, students.